Foldable phone fans, Oppo is about to raise the bar with the Find N5. As the teaser campaign heats up, new details reveal just how slim and durable this device will be. When closed, the Find N5 measures a mere 8.93 millimeters, making it the slimmest foldable on the market. While Oppo hasn't shared the unfolded thickness, rumors suggest each side is an ultra-thin 4.2 millimeters. But the real star of the show is the Find N5's hinge, dubbed the titanium alloy sky hinge. It's crafted using a cutting-edge 3D printing process. Oppo melts titanium into liquid, converts it into powder, and then prints it into a lightweight yet incredibly strong wing panel. This, combined with a new 5-spring torque system and a water drop design, ensures the display rolls smoothly without creasing. And here's the kicker. Despite its slim and intricate design, the Find N5 will feature IPX9 water resistance, a first for any foldable phone. This level of durability and innovation sets a new standard for foldable devices. What do you think of the Oppo Find N5's design and features? Are you excited for its launch? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates from TechVerse. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.